Hi, I'm Kelly from Artful Math. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Fibonacci spiral that you can find in nature. All you need is a pencil and a piece of graph paper.
So this Fibonacci pattern starts with a 1 and a 1, and then you add those two together to get 2. You add the final two numbers, 1 and 2, to get 3. 2 and 3 make 5. 3 and 5 make 8. Then 13, 21, 34, 55. That's farther than we're going to need to go. So I like to count 15 over from this side and 10 up. I've marked mine already. And you're going to make a box that has one side by one side, and then another one next to it that's 1 by 1. And then we're going to do a 2 by 2. Now we're making a spiral, so the next way we're going to go is up. So we're going to go 2 sides across and 2 sides down for a 2 by 2. And then next we're going to do a 3 by 3. So we go over 3 boxes and down 3 boxes. And you'll see each time it's the same width as the whole shape from before. So we've done 1, 1, 2, 3. Now we do 5. And 8. And next we have 13. That's going to go up. And the final one that'll fit on this page is a 21. Now we have boxes that all fit together, and together they will make a spiral. So we're going to start with our 1 and 1, and we're going to connect the corners, but with curved lines, not with straight lines. That's how you make a Fibonacci spiral.